What's going on, y'all? This JD Speaks. I'm your host, JD. The topic of the day is bread. Now, I ain't talking about no money bread. I'm talking about some eating bread, some sandwich bread, y'all. I'm gonna come on here and I'm gonna do a little something different today. So, we gonna get into this simple sandwich bread. Y'all check it out. This is what we got going on, y'all. This little simple bread. That's all we gonna do. So I'm gonna walk you through it. Here we go. We got the bread machine ready. We got 4 cups of flour. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dump them on in. We get that even out in there. I'm gonna make me a little well in the middle so I can put my liquid in there. Alright. For my liquid, I got a 1.25 cups of warm water, a packet of yeast, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And I let that sit about 15 minutes. Let that do its thing. You know how the yeast foam up, rise up. That's what we got going on here. But let me take that back. What I did with this one is I took out 3/4 cup of that water and I put in 3/4 cup chicken stock and the rest up to 1 1/3 cups of water. Then, you know, my yeast and sugar, dump that on in here. Next, we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Extra virgin, cold press, it don't matter. Use what you got. Use what you got. Keep it simple. 1, 2, 3. To that, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of salt. Now I should have put that in my wet and let it break down, or in my dry and sifted it. But we gonna dump it right on top. So, did I say tablespoon? I meant teaspoon if I ain't said that. But we got to do 2 teaspoons of salt. This is a 1/2 teaspoon, so I'm gonna be dumping 4 of these in there. And also to that, I'm gonna be adding 1 egg. You can beat it, you can dump it on in. It don't matter. Gonna keep it simple, y'all. And I'm gonna add about, I say this probably about 2.5 tablespoons of butter. Go ahead and dump that on in. It's softened up, room temperature. And that's pretty much it, y'all. Y'all can leave it like that, or y'all can take it a step further. Me, I like to take it a step further. I like to dump a little onion powder, a little garlic powder, a little black pepper in there. You know, it's up to your taste, up to your preference, up to your pleasures. You do what you need to do, get it right. You know, you can throw you some Italian seasoning in there, some Parmesan cheese, however you want to do it. You know, you can flip it to your liking. This is how I like it. That's how I'm finna do it. Ain't no precise measurement. Just you know, put a little bit in that thing. Over the onion, black pepper. We go to garlic. That's it. Now we're gonna hit that lid down. We're gonna put that lid down. I ain't even got it plugged in. Let me plug it in. Beep, beep. Who got the keys to the Jeep? Room. All right, cuz, this is what we gonna do. See my little timer. I'm gonna turn them on, and I'm doing some sandwich bread. So I'm gonna go on down to number 10. So 2.5 pound loaf. We got it on 3 hours, 20 minutes. Hit start and let that thing do its thing. Got that warm water in there so the glass getting a little foggy. But y'all see what's happening. Kneading it up, kneading it up. A little bit more to go. Alright, that thing all kneaded up. And it's got to sit here and rise for a little bit. So we still got to wait it out, let it do its thing. We got another 2.5 hours. And we're gonna be good. I'm gonna check back. So we sitting on about roughly 1.5 hours now. And this one rolls up pretty good. Still got a little more rising to do. We're gonna check back in a few more. Alright, man. So that timer just went off. And as you can see, we got us a nice little loaf here. So I'm about to pull it and see what it do. So there it is. Finished product, y'all. What y'all think? Nice little golden brown on there. I done took it out. Let it sit for a little bit, cool just a little bit so I can handle it. And we're gonna give this thing a few slices, see what it do. I get one more. We ain't gonna use that booty piece. Well, I'm gonna use it, but you know, a lot of people don't use that end piece of the bread, the booty piece. But I'm gonna use that thing. Alright. There it is. That's it. Yes, sir. And like I say, guys, real simple. Simple sandwich bread. 4 cups of flour, 1 1/3 cups of warm water, pack of yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of butter. And you know, anything else your heart desires, throw it on in there, it's gonna be great. So there you have it, folks. Simple sandwich bread. Them few little ingredients, you're gonna be ready to go. So y'all let me know if y'all like this type of content. If you ain't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. This JD Speaks. I'm signing out.